Hi there, my name is Mark. I'm from Western Canada. I just wanted to talk a little bit about Manuel and AGM Agency. I've been selling online for 10 years now. Um, Met Manuel pretty much right in the beginning, selling my private label Riptone Fitness brand on Amazon. Um, Manuel's always been there um, as a voice in the business, in the e-commerce space. He's always cutting edge. He's always doing something new, something different, something creative, trying, testing, and succeeding. Um, learns from his mistakes, moves forward, and he's always out there offering value, giving. He cares about people, cares about his customers, not only the consumer but the people that use his marketing services. I'd highly recommend him. He's passionate, loves what he does, takes it very serious, and is always giving back and helping others succeed.